Hello. Today I'm closing on a new property. No, I'll just put that there. Today I'm closing on a new property bought specifically for Airbnb. What makes a good Airbnb? I will tell you that and kind of take you all the way from before closing here in an hour or two, the things you can do to get everything ready. After closing, basically this one needs to be remodeled. There's a certain level of remodel that's done for Airbnb, which is a lot less than if you're going to have a normal rental tenant, or if you're going to have, if you're buying it to live in or to flip, just to sell. So it's very specific, the level of finish you do for Airbnbers, and basically it's just more knowing what not to do, what they don't care about. And anyways, I will take you from start to finish, from before you close on the property, things that you can prepare, to the day you close, to the following 30 to 45 days of remodel, and everything you can do in between now and then to get everything ready. And actually, I've already put it in the system, Airbnb, and we have about 6,000 plus of bookings that are already locked in. I'll tell you the wording I gave to those people to make them comfortable. Like most things, it's all about expectations and promises you've given to them. So with everything lined up right, we already have our investment working for us. So I'm excited to take this one from start to finish and just kind of give everyone a hands-on of the daily process of what's involved. All right, sounds great. I'll see you on this bat channel. Different time, probably different place each day. All right, that's it. Peace.